Njengoba izibalo zakamuva sikhomba ukuthi bangu 74.7% abantu abasha abantula imisebenzi kuleli, uNongceba Mhlawuli ongumxhubanisi wophiko lwentsha ye-ANC kuzwelonke uthi uhulumeni kumele ulusukumele udaba lokuntula imisebenzi kwentsha njengalokhu usukumele ukulwa ne-COVID-19.
We are saying as young people that it is time that government takes the issue of youth unemployment as serious as it has taken the COVID-19 pandemic. When the pandemic came, lots of money was made available. You had relief packages, through various means, including guarantee schemes and so on and so forth. And we don't really have the numbers of how that has impacted the youth positively.
Umholi wentsha eqenjini DA Luyolo Mphithi uthi uhulumeni kufanele upheze ukugxila ezimbonini ezizodwa ukuze kuvela amathuba emisebenzi nakweminye imikhakha.
There has to be key, meaningful reform in the economic agenda of this country. There has to be key ideas and new innovative ideas about the sectors in which we want young people to be able to step into. We need to be able to understand that some sectors like mining are dying out in this country. What is there left for young people to be able to access this economy? So we need to be thinking about the green economy, the blue economy. How are we creating those opportunities for young people to grow in economies that have not necessarily been invested in this country?
Usihlalo wophiko lwentsha ye-IFP umthokozisi Nxumalo uthi ubuholi bentsha ezinhlakeni ezahlukene kufanele buhlanganisa amakhanda buphume nesisombululo esisodwa.
But I think that eventually we must sit down as political leaders and as young leaders from different spaces, whether it's in business spaces, academics, and sit around to formulate policies that would actually respond to the need of young people across the country. Because if we just take the responsibility to politicians and not play an active role in changing the lives of young people, it's not going to happen in this lifetime.
Isiqubulo sakulonyaka sokugubha iNyanga yentsha sigxile ekwakheni amathuba emisebenzi ukuze intsha iqasheke kanye nokuletha uguquko oludingekayo emphakathini.